Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean shower glass without the use of harsh chemicals and vinegar. No need for vinegar mix. So if you'd like to know how we got from this then keep watching. So what I'm going to show you is so quick and easy. All you need is this and this. So obviously washing up liquid you can get from any supermarket. A sponge you can get anywhere, 99p store or anywhere of your choice. And this water squeegee, I picked this up in Halfords. Very good, and it's just £6. Does the job fantastic. Alright, let's get into it. So I've just started off with a little bit of washing up liquid on the sponge, and I recommend you just get a little bit of water, not too much, and then we start to wash. Obviously for the purposes of the video we've let the soap scum build up just so that I can show you how to remove it. Okay, let's go. It easily comes off. You don't need to do much work with this. Very liquid. You can see how easily that's coming off. Then after that I'll take my squeegee, just wet it a little bit. You're going to see how easily this slides all off. Okay, it's literally just like cleaning a window. You can actually use this method to clean your windows too. I've had to wipe it down a little bit with a piece of tissue, and this is what it looks like now. So clean that you can see through it, right through it. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you get on. If you can try it out, and then leave me some comments in the comment section below. See if it works for you. Thanks for your time, guys.